Meaning of demeaning.
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 Demeaning. Demeaning refers to behavior or actions that are degrading or disrespectful towards someone, often resulting in a loss of their dignity or self-respect. Such actions can be displayed through speech, actions, or attitude towards others. When someone is demeaned, they may feel humiliated, inferior, or hurt. The impact of demeaning behavior can have long-lasting effects on individuals, creating an environment of low self-esteem and reduced confidence. It can also negatively impact relationships, leading to misunderstandings, conflicts, and a lack of trust. Therefore, it is important to treat people with respect and kindness, avoiding any actions that could be considered demeaning.